Hi folks, so swapping over what I suspect to be a failed parking sensor on my Jaguar XF. So you can see it's got 4 parking sensors along the back bumper, and I think it's this one here that's failed. So my symptoms are, when I turn the Jag on, I get a parking cameras failed error, and it says like contact dealer, something like that. I'll try and post a picture up of it. My Jag doesn't have a parking camera, rear view camera, so not sure why the error message says that, but looking around online, it's known as it seems to be an issue with one of the parking sensors, or potentially the cable loom in the boot. Reason I think it's parking sensor instead of the actual wiring loom is because one time when I started the Jag up, I didn't get the error message, but I did get a constant beep from this kind of section of the reversing sensors on screen. It was like constantly red, whereas like nothing else was detected on the other parking sensors. So I thought it might be this one that's causing the problem. So what I've done is I've taken the rear diffuser off. I'll try and show you the process of that as well. Taking the rear diffuser off, which gives access to underneath the bumper. There's a lovely big area. I'll try and show you now. Lovely, a lot of access to the 4 parking sensors here, so you can see the like wiring. And then all you need to do once you've got the access is find the parking sensor here, and there's 2 catches, so you can see one where my finger is, and there's another one just there, just out of view, can't really see it. So you just need to have both of them out like that, and then it just pulls out like that. And then once you've done that, you can see here, so a little catch for the cabling. So you just pull this out, so you put a flathead screwdriver in that gap there, and then the whole parking sensor will come out. So easy as that. And then you install your new one, put it back in, make sure that wiring is connected properly, and then it's just a case of putting the rear diffuser back on. Well, obviously test once you've reinstalled it, make sure that it's working. Mine looks good, I'm not getting the error message anymore. I'll give it a few more restarts to see if it does come back up, but I think we're looking good. And then yeah, that's it. Just put the rear diffuser back on. It's a bit fiddly. You may have broken some of the clips on the way of when you were taking it off. Luckily mine all came out intact, so let me just show you that quickly. So it's like a 2-part, it's 2 parts to this. So this goes in first in the bottom, and then the screw part, which you can see here, like they're made of plastic, goes inside like that. And amazingly, incredibly, despite my luck with things, all 4 came out intact, so I don't have to replace those. But if you look across the internet, you can see that it's quite a common thing to have to replace those. And then the other part is that goes at the very edge of the diffuser. So I've managed to lose one of these so far. Hopefully it doesn't matter too much, or I can look on the road and see if I can find where it's fallen out. But yeah, just put those back in and they should be good to go. Easy as that. Enjoy.